before you go into that workout tomorrow, that Specter workout, maybe today, there's a few things that you need to know about it. And there ought to be a few things that we discuss. So let's go over it for a second. Specter is cool. It is cool. My favorite looking workout, but the hardest workout we have. I don't know. I have a few workouts that are as hard as Specter, but there is nothing harder. And the thing about this workout is it is hard on every level. Every single level. Like mentally, you're going to have a victory tomorrow if you make it through this. And I promise you this, you're going to want to quit. You will want to quit somewhere through this workout. You'll want to shave some reps and you'll want to skip some rounds. Don't do it. Get that victory. It's important, okay? The other thing too is it's really tough in terms of physically. Your heart rate is going to be pinging. You are going to be muscular. You're going to suffer muscular fatigue. Go through it anyway, veterans. Rookies, don't you dare. We'll talk about that in a minute though. And lastly, you're going to wear Specter for a little while. You will. You're going to do this workout, even if you're conditioned, even if you've been going now for a good 6 months, you're going to wear Specter. Specter makes you sore. There's no way around that. Now, we need to mitigate that soreness. And rookies, please listen up. Please listen up. This is not a workout to muck with. It isn't. And if you're walking into this with 2 months, 1 month, 1 week of experience with what we do at GPP, it would be a mistake to do all those reps. In fact, I forbid it. It's a terrible idea and there's no fitness in it. So please don't do Specter full out if you aren't exactly sure that you're going to be fine. And how do you know that? Well, you kind of can't, but I can tell you this, if you're under 3 months old and you're not at the RX yet and you're not doing all the reps and rounds and sets and such that I'm putting up on the board daily, you have no business hitting all of them. You don't. It will wreck you. It will wreck you. Now, pro tip. I started feeling a little back pain, or I start to feel a little back pain in a really deep power squat clean, right? And then you mix that with the burpee and it just puts a smidge of pressure on my spine. Maybe it doesn't yours, and I haven't heard that same thing from everybody. But if you suffer from a little back pain, my advice to you is to take your squat just a little shallower. Generally, I want you parallel or just below. It's okay tomorrow, just tomorrow, to stay just a smidge above parallel. And I think that'll solve your problem. It has mine. I had a lot of back pain, a ton. For about the last 3 years, I've had this little grabber in the back the whole time on the left side, lower left side. I started shallowing up my squat during workouts like this, and I'm better. So just a little tip for you. Don't overdo this workout, but attack it. If you're ready for this one, it's ready for you. So go out there and get all of the benefits from this workout. Get a little exhausted, veterans only, and push yourself. And that's just some thoughts that I have on Specter. Did I miss anything? Oh yeah, you're ready for this. I've been programming now for 3 weeks. For 3 weeks to get you ready for this. So it's time. You'll be fine if you've been following the program and you've been faithful the last month or so. You're ready to go. So good luck tomorrow. I'm excited for you. Let me know how it went in comments. And if you liked this and this helped you, please give us a like. Say it, and also maybe share it if you wanted some of your other friends to maybe be healthy.